Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to calculate percentile in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first thing, I will add a one table visual here and I will show you the data table. So this is a table visual, and from the data table, I will add a student name and score. So I don't want sum of the score. I don't summarize this. And let me increase the header size by 15 or 16, and I will make it bold, and the value size also I can make it 16. Okay, now here you can see the student name and score. So I will calculate a percentile based on this score. So I will add a one measure here, new measure, and here I will say score percentile, and I will use a percentile function inc. There is so many functions. So I am showing you one of the easiest way to calculate. And first column I want to calculate on a score, and the second parameter actually it start from 0 to 1. So I am saying 0.095. So this is the actually measure, if you can see here, percentile inc, the column in which column you want to create a percentile, and 0.95. Now let me accept this calculation, and now I will add a one data card here, and here I will add score percentile. So now based on this score, the percentile is calculated 98.65. Now we'll see more thing, if you want to find out the lowest percentile, you have to just say 0. So it will show you the 40% percentile, and the highest, if you want, if you can add, so it will be 99. So 99. So I'm just putting it 0.95 or 95 or 90. You can make it 90. So it will calculate 98.30. So in this way you can calculate percentile. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.